How many 99 percentiles here? Just type in 99 point this. What's the exact percentile? Only 98 percentiles first. 99 percentiles first. 99.73, 99.21, 99.64, 99.73. Okay, 99.97. Sanya, very good. Congrats. 99.06, 99.05. All right, 99.66, 99.99. Very good. Congratulations, everyone. Superb. Great, yeah. Great. 99. Okay, great. Agam Jot. Oh, Rahul, good seeing you, man. Superb. We can see your something like this. Super duper congrats everybody. Chat access is right now closed to everybody, but once we start these sessions more interactive, we're going to have a lot of fun. All right, great. Rest of the folks, 97 to 98 odd percentile. 97, 98. हाँ भाई फटाफट on the chat. 98.5. Okay, Parpan or Darpan. Okay, Pranjal. 97, 98, 95, 97. Krishna, Ramesh. All right, superb. 97, excellent. Super congrats again, once again. Lovely, good. Rest of the folks, 90, 95, 94, 93. 90 के ऊपर वाले सारे 96.64, 94.97, 96.96.6. All right, super duper congrats. Great. 93, 93, super duper congrats. All right, great. So come what may, we do some pledges in the session. आज हम कुछ pledge भी आपसे करवाएंगे. We'll go in detail, but before that, let's introduce Simran ma'am to you. Hi Simran ma'am, welcome on board. A small introduction would be really helpful.
Hi, hello everyone. So, as sir has already, I think, written in the description, I completed my MBA from. I'm an engineer, and post that I joined FMS for my MBA in 2021, and I completed that in 23. During my MBA, I interned with Microsoft for my summers, and post that I got placed in American Express, and I've been working here ever since 2023. So yeah, that's about me.
Great, awesome. Thanks, Simran. Thanks. Welcome back. By the way, Simran ma'am, welcome भी कर लिया करो यार. Simran ma'am have been contributing to Cat King family past कितने साल हो गए? 2 साल, 3 साल हो गए.
3 साल.
3 साल
3
हो
years.
गए. And last year जो भी हमारे 1000+ converts थे IIMs के, Simran ma'am was a part of the whole gang as well. Simran ma'am को welcome भी बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है, great Shubham, great, lovely. Tushar is going to be joining us in a bit. Simran, we are kickstarting the GDPI sessions right now. One piece of Brahmastra which you want to tell them. क्योंकि बहुत लाइटली ले रहे हैं. मैं इनके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में देख रहा था अभी, काफ़ी लाइटली ले रहे हैं भाई. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में ना थोड़ा सा, मैं तुम्हारी सब चैट आ रही मेरे पास, तो थोड़ा सा प्यार से, हाँ थोड़ा सा प्यार से. दीज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स आर वन फॉर यू टू स्टडी, और उसके अंदर इधर उधर की कुछ बातें होगी ना, सीधा टक डिलीट हो जाएगा. एंड यूर 99 परसेंटाइल्स प्लस 98, 97, तो उसको यूटिलाइज़ करना और दोस्ती यारी करना. बिल्कुल दिव्य आपको भी ऐड करवा देंगे, ठीक है. You have to add through WhatsApp group from profile portal, profile.catking.in. There are 2 different WhatsApp group. One WhatsApp group is Janit Mein Jari. It's for everybody. These are open groups. And second groups are once you are enrolled with the course. Now you're part of the Cat King family, everybody. We will make sure that we will be there with you till the end. तो तुम्हारा group अलग से बनेगा. I'll be also added to the group as well. Superb. All right, great. Moving in forward, oh, Tushar has also joined in. Big guy is here. Let me just check with Tushar if he's live, ready to speak as well. Hi Tushar, welcome. Can you hear me already? Are you all settled up?
Yes sir, I can hear you sir.
क्या हाल चाल है? कहाँ है तू? कहाँ है तू अभी?
सर अभी घर पे जस्ट आया हूँ, थोड़ा सा बाहर था.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
बॉम्बे में ही सर.
बॉम्बे में यार, let's meet up man.
Yes sir.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Great. Tushar, small introduction would be really helpful. Simran ma'am, Tushar is back with here, and let's go. Tushar sir.
Yes. So hi guys, I'm Tushar Sarkar. I did my engineering from KJ Somaya in computer science. उसके बाद MBA IIM Calcutta से किया, and I joined Goldman Sachs after my MBA as a quant markets में trading में. And so this is a small introduction about me right now. I am a PM at a different firm. So yes, this is something about me.
बहुत बढ़िया. और चीज़ें बताओ. He was in Dean's top rank 18 of IIM Calcutta.
Yes, sir. So I was ranked 18 in IIM Calcutta, and yes, the journey has been rewarding. It has been, by God's grace, things have been good.
Super. He's such a humble guy, boys and girls. जो भी अभी थोड़ा चौड़ में घूम रहे हो ना लाइफ के अंदर, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ, you would be like this guy. Such a humble guy, an amazing guy, and he was there when he got a 99.81 percentile. We did a video with him as well. So great, yaar. Welcome Tushar. Tushar will be teaching you finance also, yeah. He'll be teaching you finance also in the coming days as well. Great. Since it's a Kickstarter session today, I'm going to go into details. Tushar, what is the, hey Darshan, thanks. What is the one important thing you think is required for the group discussion personal interview? अभी ये लोग ZAT की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, but we're meeting them today and tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. We're kickstarting, and after that we're going to do marketing Mondays, finance Fridays. और भाई finance Fridays Goldman का बंदा पढ़ाएगा आपको, और जो कि IIM Calcutta alumni है, इससे बड़ी बात और कहीं पे हो नहीं सकती. तो इसलिए value this discussion, value these WhatsApp groups. It's going to be an amazing time. Yes, Tushar sir, one Brahmastra which can help them convert their calls.
So consistency across cat में भी consistency, यहाँ पे भी consistency and the rigor की you have to know every level पे you have to know everything. You don't have a choice. तो वो corner पे जाके you have to know everything. रोज हारना है, रोज same चीज करना है. One day you will actually make it. So that is the one.
बहुत बढ़िया. Great. Radhika will get you added. Don't worry about that. Simran, what's the one Brahmastra FMS alumni?
I think so. One thing that a lot of people miss is once they're through with CAT and have a great percentile, they're relaxed that this is it. My hard work is done, and now I'll make it. But that's not true. So I think keeping that in mind, that this CAT was just one part of it, and now CAT was just a way to get you a chance to sit in the interview, and now is the real deal. And basically, you're trying to understand how you make it through is consistency, like Tushar mentioned, and not forgetting that CAT was just step one, and this is the real make or break for you to enter into a dream B school.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. That's great. Thank you for that. And don't take things lightly. अगर तुम बड़ी हवा में उड़ रहे हो तो आज हम एक थोड़ा डेमो स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यू ले लेंगे भाई. एनीबडी अप फॉर अ स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यू टुडे टुवर्ड्स द एंड? हाँ भाई, कोई कैमरा ऑन करके सोच समझ के बोलना. फ्रॉम 99 परसेंटाइलर्स ओनली. थोड़ा मज़ा आएगा आज आपको. एनीबडी अप फॉर दैट? देखते हैं भाई. और जो ये डिस्कशंस के अंदर सबसे पहले अप होता है वो कन्वर्ट भी करता है अपने सारे कॉल्स. ठीक है, बढ़िया. ऑलराइट देयर. शाश्वत द्विवेदी इज रेडी. गुड. टाइप इन अ परसेंटाइल एज शाश्वत. इट्स गोइंग रियली हेल्पफुल. सो पीपल 99 परसेंटाइल्स प्लस विल डू इट टुवर्ड्स द एंड. मज़ा आएगा आपको. हाँ, यू विल रियली एंजॉय दैट. और अभी इन सेशंस के अंदर तुम्हें एक्सेस दिया जाएगा और बोलना भी शुरू करो थोड़ा. हाँ, शर्माने का नहीं अभी बैठ के. बहुत बढ़िया. 99.50 आई एम रेडी. 99.91 राहुल गांधी इज रेडी. लूसीफर मॉर्निंग स्टार, नाम बदल पहले अपना. 99.66 आई एम रेडी. ऑल राइट, गुड. वन मोर. ओके, टू मोर. ओके, गलत भी करोगे इट्स ओके, मज़ा आएगा. तुम और नहीं कोई सीख के जाएगा. 9137 रोयल रेडी. ओके, गुड. वी नीड 2 गर्ल्स यार. वी नीड 2 गर्ल वॉलंटियर्स. ओके, ग्रेट. 90.9 रेडी. 2 गर्ल वॉलंटियर. हाँ भी, फटाफट जल्दी. प्रथम 90.91 आई एम रेडी. गुड. ओके, एनीवन एल्स? सुपर. ओके, दर्शन. गुड. वी नीड 2 गर्ल कैंडिडेट्स. फटाफट भाई, नहीं तो हम कोल्ड कॉल करेंगे. व्हाट इज अ कोल्ड कॉल तुषार सर? समझाओ जरा. कोल्ड कॉल क्या होता है भाई?
कोल्ड कॉल मतलब लेक्चर में बैठे हुए हो, कुछ अलग मोबाइल पे कर रहे हो, आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया गया, आप नहीं आंसर कर पाए एंड फिर मजा आ गया. मार्क्स में, सीपी में, बहुत चीजों में.
बहुत बढ़िया. सीपी क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन एक्सेट्रा. सो भाई इसलिए थोड़ा सा कोल्ड कॉल में सीधा आपको उठाया जाएगा. चल भाई प्रथम तेरी बारी एक्सेट्रा. इट्स अ हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल थिंग. व्हेन आई वेंट टू हार्वर्ड for my exec management, I did a very short course in Boston at Harvard Business School. It was all same as well. So we'll give you a perspective towards life as well. Simran, this preparation of GDPI, I personally feel it's very crucial because once they go into summer internship, which happens like nearly 3 months, do you think this preparation will help them getting a Microsoft like you got it? And Tushar, I'll come to you in a minute.
I think this preparation is very important. If you do it right, it can help you and take you steps ahead from your peers for your internship and summer placements interviews. Because those 3 months, it might seem like a long time. 3 months is a long time, right? But it passes by like this, and you have plethora of things to do during that time. Your academics have also started. You barely have time to sleep. So if you prepare seriously right now, you might get yourselves half an hour extra to sleep during that time. And trust me, that is very important. It might seem what is half an hour, but if you only get 2 to 3 hours of sleep, additional half an hour always pays a lot.
Super, great. Tushar, Tushar was a student last year, huh? last year, sorry, अब तो graduate हो गया ये. तो Tushar was sitting on this side of the table, and now Tushar is helping people to convert their IIM Calcutta calls as well. Tushar, you got summers was in Edelweiss, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. So GDPI preparation helps to get a best summer internship as well.
Yes sir. So actually it helped me a lot, and उसके बाद भी GDPI preparation helps you structure everything that you have done in life up until this point. So whenever you talk to anyone, each and everything that you have done up until now pays off. Everything compound करके थोड़ा करके add करता रहेगा, and over time it helps a lot. I only had one call Edelweiss का for finance during summers, apart from consultant these things. But ये preparation तभी plus अंदर का preparation makes you stand apart from others in a lot of senses.
बहुत बढ़िया। और जो लोग अच्छे अच्छे स्कूल्स में जाने वाले, ऑल द 98 परसेंटाइलर्स और पीपल हु गॉट कैटेगरी एंड लिटिल लोअर परसेंटाइलर एज वेल, IIMs आर गोइंग बी रियली हम्बलिंग एक्सपीरियंस। तुम अगर बहुत ही चौड़ में घूम रहे हो ना, IIM, SPJ and FMS, this is not going to be an easy cake for sure. Trust me, you will cry at least once if you are in the game for this process, right? और ये तो होना ही होना है। और पहले 3 महीने तुम्हारे इतने रिगर में जाने वाले हैं, उसका थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर मैं आपको अभी दूंगा। दिस इज़ नॉट यूट्यूब, या नाउ यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द कैट किंग फैमिली। तुम्हारी कॉल्स कन्वर्ट करवाना हमारा काम है। टुडे आई वांट यू टू डू अ प्लेज विच आई डिड इन वन ऑफ द सेशन विद 99%। तुषार, क्या प्लेज करवाते हैं हम? सिमरन मैम, याद है आपको क्या प्लेज करवाते हैं?
We'll turn the world upside down to convert the call.
अरे क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है। इनकी तरफ से प्लेज होता है दैट आई प्लेज टू कन्वर्ट माय बेस्ट कॉल। लिखो जरा चैट के अंदर, आई प्लेज टू पूरा लिखो जरा, हाँ थोड़ा मैनिफेस्टेशन करो बढ़िया वाले। आई प्लेज टू कन्वर्ट द बेस्ट कॉल। प्रांजल, एवरीबडी, ओके, अनुष्का, वेरी नाइस, ऑल राइट, रेस्ट ऑफ द फोक्स, पूरा डिटेल के अंदर। अगर मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ आई एम अहमदाबाद कॉल आएगी तो आई एम लखनऊ कन्वर्ट हुआ तो लानत है। अगले 2 महीने माई नाइट्स आर स्क्रूड एंड तुषार्स नाइट्स एंड सिमरन्स नाइट आर स्क्रूड। आई प्लेज। बहुत बढ़िया, ग्रेट, ये हुई ना बात भाई। लवली लवली लवली। क्योंकि तुम्हारी तरफ से अगर नहीं आएगा ना यार, वो मज़ा ही नहीं आना यार, मज़ा ही नहीं आना। तो तुम्हें एफर्ट मारना बैठ के, एंड यू विल थैंक अस लेटर ऑन, यू विल डेफिनेटली थैंक अस लेटर ऑन, ठीक है? कोई ना, मोहम्मद अगमजोत, बहुत ही बढ़िया, ठीक है भाई। चलिए इसी के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट मी गिव यू इन क्विक ओवरव्यू ऑफ द सेशन टुडे एंड देन विल स्टार्ट अबाउट द होमवर्क, क्या क्या हम करने वाले हैं, क्या क्या हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, एंड विल गो इनटू डिटेल्स। भाई पहले तो देख लो हाउ इट्स गोना वर्क लाइक। चेक दिस आउट। नंबर 1, you'll meet other folks as well. Milana ma'am, I'm Ahmedabad. Let me just pull the screen. Yeah. So you'll meet these faculties also often. Anisha ma'am, NMIMS Bombay. Tushar, I'm Calcutta, Goldman Sachs. Sanjana, IFT, then ITC. Simran ma'am, already with you. Milana, Accenture Strategy. I'm Ahmedabad. I'm SPJ in Bombay. General Electric. This is Gen Man. This is marketing. This is marketing. This is Simran, क्या analytics? क्या बोलूँ मैं?
Strategy analytics.
Strategy analytics. Tushar sir, hardcore finance. Milana again, strategy as well as business process. So all these people are going to be there. How it's going to look like? Have a look at this. और ये सारी चीज़ें करनी बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है। Saturday Sunday we are chilling 1 hour a day. Today we're going to start with the stress interview. आज थोड़े मज़ा आएगा. People have already pledged for that and volunteered for that. Today and tomorrow we're going to be 1 hour. That's it. नेक्स्ट वीक इज़ योर जैट के बाद हम आपको सैटरडे संडे एक बार और मिलेंगे एंड देन वी विल किक स्टार्ट आवर GDPI सेशंस फ्रॉम 5th of Jan, 6th Jan, 7th Jan, 8th Jan, every day. So you'll be meeting me and Simran ma'am live in person, how to crack interviews and how to crack interviews again on personal interviews. ये दोनों सेशंस सुमित और सिमरन मैम के साथ रहेंगे। बाकी गोना मीट मिलाना, आई एम अहमदाबाद, अनीशा मैम NMIMS, मैरिको, तुषार सरकार finance, gold medalist of rank 18 of IIM Calcutta, and this is going to be happening on Sanjana with Milana. All your final interviews, we have already built a dashboard. Your mentors will be lined up. We'll make you meet your mentors. The mentors would be ex-Place Commerce from Flipkart, from Google, from Boston Consulting Group, Bain & Co. All the people from the Cat King family who are going to come and help you out. But if you are booking a time slot, dare you send me an email saying मेरे को time change करना है? Please don't do that. You only have one PI interview at Cat King family. I've told you already, if you guys want to do, you can add up one more PI. 2 PI will have you complete information about everything required. But आपकी एक mini MB तो हम करवा के भेजेंगे for sure. This is going to be more than sufficient. Tushar sir, would you like to add something to this which they should prepare before I let you go?
No, sir. So the only thing that I'll comment on here is ये जो भी हो रहा है इसमें अगर rigor है पूरा, then it pays off a lot in ways that may really be unimaginable right now, but it pays off. तो ये जितने अच्छे से करेंगे उतना आगे benefits, you cannot actually quantify the benefits, to be very frank. So I'll just ask everyone to have the complete faith के साथ target मिला है करो. Do not think, just execute for now.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
That is what I'll suggest.
That's lovely, that's great help. Simran ma'am, any parting thoughts to them? तुम तो हो सेशन के अंदर, but one last line for all these people who've joined the Cat King family who are pledging that they're going to work really hard.
I think I'll build on what Tushar had only said. One of my biggest struggle during the GDPI times was no proper guidance. I didn't know what to read or what they might ask, right? There was so much out there that could have been done or should have been done. I didn't have a clear guidance. So if you guys are getting that, please stick to it and take it as seriously as you did your CAT prep. Again, reiterating what I said as well. Take it as seriously as you did your CAT prep, and I think you should be good to go. Not just for your GDPI, but for a lot more events in your life coming ahead.
That's really amazing. That's really amazing. Thank you for that. And yeah, more Alumni Connect sessions coming up all your way. Once you get an IIM Bangalore call, we'll have IIM Bangalore folks coming in. Once you have Ahmedabad call sessions are going to be there. IIM Calcutta bhi yahin ke hoga. Tushar would be sitting as a student. Maybe you have to search for it. Yeah, this is IIM Calcutta call. You have to search for Tushar. But any which way, so all these sessions are going to be lining up for you. And भाई अभी थोड़ा कैमराज वगैरह अपने handy रखिएगा. Once you guys get a call sessions as well. These are exclusive sessions which happen from 11 to 12 in the midnight. SP Jain session is already done. And this happens after these sessions 10 to 11 के बाद. ये रात को 11 बजे शुरू होता है और फिर 12 बजे अपना ख़त्म होता है. These are exclusively once you get a call from these colleges. It keeps on going on for sure. All right, great. Today we're going to start with what's going wrong as well. But any which ways, Tushar sir, आप drop कर सकते हैं. Thank you so much यार for coming back. Let's meet up soon.
Sure, sir, sure. And everyone, best of luck. Yes, sir. Chiliye. Have a good night.
Thank you for joining in. Take care. Bye bye. All right, great. ओके लेट्स गो इनटू डिटेल्स नाउ भाई. तो यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अपनी GDPI प्रिपरेशन की जर्नी. एंड इट्स यूल सी अ डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ मी. अभी तक आप मुझे ऐसे यूट्यूब पे सुनते हो, क्लास में बैठते हो, वर्बल एबिलिटी पढ़ा है, ये पढ़ा है, वो पढ़ा है, बट नाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी टोटली डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर. एंड you'll see my place commerce side as well. So you will see my side of recruiter at IIMS. You'll see a lot of stuff coming up your way. But be good and learn a lot. You'll be a changed person in the next 1.5-2 months for sure. Great.
I'm Karthik.
Miss Kishle Bhardwaj.
My Z score is 99.84.
I had a 99.42 percentile.
And I got like a 99.21 percentile.
Ashutosh Gupta.
My name is Daniel Lad.
My name is Jatin Basi.
A 98.76 percentile in CAT.
So I secured 99.19 percentile in CAT.
In which I scored 94.75 percentile.
जो भी आप मोटिवेशन देते हो, जो भी आप जिस तरीके से पढ़ाते हो सर, डेफिनेटली कीप दैट गोइंग.
ओनली सुमित सर की बातें जो हैं वो ही काम आती है.
Their preparation was extremely good. I can proudly say that I am here because of that.
Hit the bell icon.